Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli here in the NBC Nebraska Weather Center with an update on the major winter storm that is making its way through. Here's a look at our time lapse as we made our way through the day here in North Platte. As you can see, we've had hours of heavy and steady snow across the region. And here's a live look outside. As you can see, Highway 83 is covered as of right now as we continue to have another band of moderate to heavy snow across the region. Current temperatures outside look like this. We're at 25 degrees. From North Platte, the I-80 corridor points off to the south, closer to 20 as you make your way up toward Valentine. As for the visibility, it looks like that snow really reducing visibility to about a half mile in North Platte, even less, a quarter mile, even zero visibility as you make your way out toward Broken Bow, Thedford, and Lexington, a half mile visibility up toward Valentine. Let's take a look at the weather alerts. The entire viewing area does remain in a winter storm warning that does go all the way until midnight Central Time because of the heavy snow. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. Now, we are seeing some bands of moderate to heavy snow across most of our viewing area, just a little bit of a dry slot down toward Imperial. They just have mainly cloudy skies, but looking up toward North Platte, still moderate to heavy snow across the region, heavy snow out toward the Lexington area, and from Broken Bow and points off to the north. Travel between North Platte and Valentine going to be nearly impossible as they continue to have some bands of maybe 1 to 2 inches per hour. So that's what it's looking like right now. Everybody, with the exception of our far southern and southwestern counties, are getting moderate to heavy snow. Let's take a look at the additional snowfall, and this is what has, in addition to what has already fallen. Most of our viewing area, especially the North Platte area, picking up right now between 10 to 12 inches of snow on the ground, and we're still expecting another 3 to 6 inches, we'll say, in this dark blue shading, 1 to 3 inches from Ogallala up toward Arthur, Hyannis, and another 1 inch or so down toward the Imperial area. But still, as you make your way into Custer County, points off to the north, even north of Lexington, we do have an area where the snowfall amounts, the additional snow, could be up to 9 to even another foot of snow. So 9 to 12 inches expected, and this is additional snow to what has already fallen in our far northern and northwestern counties. Let's take a look at the skycast. We're going to keep some heavy and steady snow between now and say around 6 p.m. and then the snow should really start to taper off. We could still have some snow showers this evening, but after midnight, we really get back to dry conditions, partly cloudy skies, and we're going to be mostly sunny as we go through tomorrow afternoon. As for the winds, still from a northerly direction right now. Wind speeds have picked up a little. They're around 15 to 25 miles per hour. That'll cause a little blowing and drifting snow across the region. We're going to have some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour as we make our way through the rest of the evening. And it'll make it feel a little cooler. Here's a look at the wind chill values. Most of us are near that 10-degree mark. So just definitely prepare for the second half of this major winter snowstorm as we go through the rest of this afternoon into the evening. Again, here's a look at the additional snowfall we think is going to fall. The North Platte area points off to the south. Another 3 to 6 inches. A heavy band of snow is going to be around until around 6 a.m. and then it should really start to taper off this evening, and we'll be back to cloudy skies as we go through the overnight. We'll keep you updated as we make our way through the rest of the afternoon and cut in as necessary. We'll have a full report tonight at 6 and 10. Until then, we're going to send you back to regular programming.